Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, northeastern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waukesha to near Antioch, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Kenosha, Racine, West Allis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Mount Pleasant, South Milwaukee, Pleasant Prairie, Cudahy, Greendale, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Sturtevant, Elm Grove, West Milwaukee, Franklin, and Winthrop Harbor. People attending Pride Fest in Milwaukee should seek safe shelter immediately. Other landmarks included are the following locations: Borner Botanical Gardens, General Mitchell International Airport, Froedtert and the Medical College, and Visser Forum. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following